Hello guys, I will share today how to mining Litecoin from online. This online mining site you can earn here freely, totally free, and if you want you can invest here. Okay, this site link provided in my description box or first comment. You can see the site name here. Okay, LitecoinPay.io. They will provide high income up to 1 to 6%. Okay, 1 to 6% this website provide. You can also earn by affiliate marketing. If you refer a investor, you can get 15% invest in your account directly. Okay, you can claim bonus in free method every 24 hours. Okay, thus bonus is provided directly your Litecoin wallet address. After clicking my description box, you can find this site link. Click the site link and you get this interface. Okay, now I can share how to sign up here. For sign up you can start now. Okay, you can start now. After clicking this you have to provide email or Litecoin address. Okay, Litecoin address you can provide from Trust Wallet or Coinbase, and you have to provide one password. Okay, so I will go to my Trust Wallet and provide LTC address. Okay, click on LTC, then click receipt and click copy. After copy this address you can paste here. Okay, you can paste here and provide password, then click on a login option. Okay, after clicking login you can see this interface. Okay, this is your refer link. If you want you can share this link in with your friend. Okay, mining will be start automatically in free method. Now click in here, you can see this dashboard. This is the interface. Okay, after if you want you can deposit here and check plan, which plan do you want to choose. I click now plan, scroll down slowly and you can see this many method. First is free method. They will provide 0.1% per day, minimum would do 0.1 LTC, payout instantly, no fee. Okay, then starter plan. Starter plan, you will this site provide you 2% per day earning 0.002 LTC, minimum would do 0.1 LTC, payout instantly, no fee. Then basic plan, when 2.5% per day interest, per day earning 0.006 LTC, minimum payout would do 0.1 LTC, payout instantly. If you want you have to buy this plan 0.25 LTC. Okay, then this plan, this site provide to 3% per day earning 0.025 LTC. You can see this option. Okay, if you plan buy this plan you must have deposit here 0.25 LTC. Then you advance plan provide 3.5% per day earning 0.07 LTC per day, minimum would do 0.1 LTC, instant payout and no fee. If you want to buy this plan you must have 2.00 LTC. Okay, buy this plan. Professional plan, you can see this, they will provide 4.5% per day, minimum per day earning 0.22500 LTC per day, Odo minimum would do 0.1 LTC, payout instantly, no free. If you buy this you have to provide or invest here 5 LTC. Then Expart plan, 5% interest per day earning 0.5 LTC, minimum would do 0.1 LTC, payout instantly, no free. Okay, for this buy this plan you have to invest 10 LTC. Master plan 6.00 per day earning 1.50 LTC, minimum would do 0.1 LTC, payout instantly, no free. By this plan you have to deposit 25 LTC. Okay, now I can share now how to buy any plan. If you want to any plan buy for click here and copy this LTC address, Litecoin address, click copy, okay, copy, then go to your Trust wallet or Coinbase account, then click to send, paste here and amount 0.25 LTC, then click to continue option. After 5 minutes you can see your deposit is closed, okay. After closing, your mining will be start. Now I can share bonus option. Bonus, this bonus is provided directly to your LTC address every day, okay. Click on bonus, get random bonus. In free method you will claim bonus 24 hours in one time, okay. For this bonus claim, complete this captcha, 61 plus 32, that's mean 93, okay. Then click let's go. After clicking let's go, this text copy, okay, and share with your Facebook. Copy this text, then share this post, okay. Okay, I'll now click in share. You can see this interface and writing something here, paste this copy text. If you want you can take your friend or not. I'll take some friend, okay. Then click on post. After clicking post, click on share and copy the link and go to the site, enter the link, okay, and click on claim. You can see awesome, your LTC is on the way. You can claim again in 24 hours, okay. By this way you can claim the bonus in free method every day one time, okay. And you can share, make any video about this site and share in YouTube and paste in YouTube link, okay. Now I will share in payout option. The payout option, you can see this payout option, okay, free professional mode, okay. Many of these people receive free. You can see in the 10 pages here, you can see some question, how does LitecoinPay.io work, how can I get started with Litecoin, minimum of LitecoinPay.io. in this below, how often can claim random bonus, okay. If you click here, you can see plan free you can claim every 24 hours, plan starter you can claim every 12 hours, plan basic you can claim every 8 hours, plan intermediate you can claim every 8 hours, plan advanced you can claim every 6 hours, plan professional you can claim bonus every 6 hours, plan expert you can claim every 2 hours, plan masters you can claim every 1 hour, okay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope the free claim bonus in my Trust wallet I can see now, okay. Check it. You can see after refresh, the bonus is directly provided in my wallet address. You can see this, okay. Time 355 completed, 0.1 USD network fee, confirmation 1, and for sharing this post, bonus transfer in my wallet 0.03 USD, okay. You can see bonus directly claimed by Litecoin wallet address. Overall, everyone subscribe my YouTube channel for this, okay. I will share many website in my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my Bediton YouTube channel. Thank you.